Howdy everybody, welcome back to our channel Tech World. We're back with another guide video for you, and today's guide video is I'm going to be guiding you guys on how we guys can download Trust Wallet for PC. So it's a bit tricky way because Trust Wallet has not officially launched a desktop version or like a software version of Trust Wallet for your PC. So you gotta go through some loopholes in order to use Trust Wallet on your PC. But by the end of this video, you guys should be able to know on how we guys can run Trust Wallet on your PC. Just follow the video until the end. But before that, Trust Wallet is a crypto storing wallet, and anything related with crypto could be volatile and scary. So we do not promote you investing in crypto. This video is just for educational purpose. And it's for me teaching you guys how we guys can download Trust Wallet. Any loss you get from Trust Wallet, or any hacked account of your Trust Wallet or crypto getting stolen from a Trust Wallet, we are not liable, you're taking your own risk on it. Alright? So let me show you guys how we guys can do that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel Tech World, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's move on. So as I said in the beginning, there is no such thing as a software or like app version of Drawers valid for a desktop. So you need to download the Android simulator on your desktop, and then on that Android simulator, you need to download Trust Wallet. By the end of this video, this is what it's going to look like. So I can just click on Trust Wallet. And my Trust Wallet should open up just like this. So I need to enter my login code and my Trust Wallet should open up. So that's basically what this is going to look like. But how are you going to reach over here? First step, you want to go to your search engine and search for BlueStack Download. After you search for BlueStack Download, you can click on Download BlueStack over here. Once you click on it over here, you can click on Download BlueStack 5. Once you click on it, your BlueStack will download. After it's downloaded, you gotta install it. Once you download and install it, your BlueStack is going to look just like this. After you open it, it might look a bit like fact just like this, but you can understand how your BlueStack is going to look like. Alright, once you see your interface just like this, you want to go on Play Store. Now once you go in Play Store, you got to log in, place your account. After you log in into place your account, what you can do is over here and search, you want to write Trust Wallet. After you search for Trust Wallet, click on download. I've already downloaded, so it's showing me update, but if you guys haven't, it's going to show you downloads. Just click on download Trust Wallet. You can open Trust Wallet, and after entering your information or creating a Trust Wallet account, it should work. So this is the only way you guys can use Trust Wallet on your PC right now, and it is the only safety. Alright, so hope you guys understand on how we guys can download Trust Wallet on our PC. If you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and bye.